3 lakhs people don't move every month. Almost 36 lakhs people every year. If every one of us says even travel something like 10 kilometers, you see how many person kilometers can be saved by this initiative. Good for the society. 3 lakhs into 10 kilometers, if you can save every month, the saving in terms of time, travel, fuel expense will be saved. That's the other benefit of the system. So we came with a vision that convenience to dealer, no longer 10:30 to 5, no second Saturdays off, no Sundays off, whether we can provide service to dealer which is on 24/7 basis. With use of IT, it's possible. So like keeping that in view, one convenience. Second thing is that minimal interface between taxpayer and tax collectors. I use the word tax collectors because everybody thinks tax collector is a very bad word. We collect tax and they pay tax to us. Whether we can minimize interface between the two. Sometimes it is not possible to really eliminate it. So first option is whether we can eliminate altogether. You don't come to us at all. If it is not possible, we can minimize it. When minimize it, can we make it better? That's a vision. First is convenience. Second thing is minimal interface between taxpayers and tax collectors. That has been my vision that we created in city department. As a part of that, we take some initiative over there. Like registration, the dealer can apply online, need not come to my office at all. Similarly for returns, they can file online. We had almost 3 lakhs returns are supposed to come every month to us. And of course, so far we didn't make it mandatory. It was optional. Of course, for twin cities from this month, we have made it mandatory, otherwise it's optional. But even without making mandatory, you know, last month, 2.14 lakhs returns came online. That shows that dealers really don't want to waste their time coming to my office for filing return. And my presumption that people will be happy to file online rather coming to my office looks to be true. So without making mandatory, even 2.14 lakhs returns last month came online to my offices. It's a indication that people really want to communicate rather than commute. If the choice is given, all of us will like to communicate through the cell phone or through the internet, through the email and all that, rather physically moving place to place and all that. And that has given a big savings not only to the dealers but not for me also, to the department.